see that?
Yeah, give me a second.
Oh, hey there, cute little bunny. What you doing in the middle of the road?
Why, you little...
Hey, what's going on? Save yourself!
Shut it, human! Beat it, doofus!
Wait up! Get on me, pig!
Ripper, where you at? Let's go, Ripper! I'm busting you out of here! The revolution has begun! Liberated forever! Domesticated never! Yeah!
Who's driving this thing?
Look out! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Who are you guys?
Huh? Who are we? Who are we? We are the flushed pets, thrown away by our owners, and now we're out for revenge. It's like a club, but with biting and scratching.
Take us with you.
I don't think so, pets. Yeah, you got the stench of domestication all over you. You chose your side, and now you're gonna burn.
No, stop. Who you calling pets? I ain't no pet. You got it all wrong. We're just like you guys. We hate humans.
Yeah.
Hate
that's,
them.
That's right.
Oh, man, don't get me started on people. Am I right, Duke?
Yeah, that's why we burned our collars, man.
We burned them to the ground.
It killed our owners.
Yeah, wait a minute. That's too far, maybe? No, they dig it. Yes, we whacked them.
Yeah, that's right.
Bang, bang with our own paws.
If I had a dime for every owner I killed,
Oh, yeah.
I'd have a dime. Because I just killed the one.
Ooh, whoa! Oh, y'all cold-blooded. Oh, man, you remind me of my boy, Ricky. He died, though. R.I.P., Ricky. You know, the truth is, the struggle could use some more muscle. All right, look, I'll tell you what. We'll bust the both of you out of here, but understand this, from now on, you work for me.
That's fine.
Sounds like a fun challenge.
All right, guys, let's do this.
Not me!
To the sewers!
The sewers?
What are y'all waiting for? I'm not playing. I said, to the sewers!